As we look forward to the year 2024, we have shown resilience over the past years, as individuals and as a community. This post-pandemic era has been an opportunity for growth and renewal. As an organization, we have seized it with optimism, gratitude, and a commitment to creating a brighter future for our RI members. This year, the Royal Institution Singapore has resumed full face-to-face events, locally and globally. We have successfully conducted a total of 2 global congresses and conferment ceremonies, which were held in Singapore and Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. Royal Institution Singapore highlighted the theme, Unifying Leadership, in Business and Industry, Education, and Public Administration, as a foundation of good governance, in all of its events for the whole year. 16th Global Congress and Conferment Ceremony. Seventeenth Global Congress and Conferment Ceremony. The Royal Institution Singapore was able to conduct 2 successful international conferences and conferment ceremonies, which were both held in Manila, Philippines. One was at RI Center, Manila, and the other was at Century Park Hotel, Manila. 38th International Conference and Conferment Ceremony. International Conference and Conferment Ceremony. Also, the Royal Institution Singapore was able to successfully conduct one standalone, international research colloquium, where RI members were able to present their research papers and be published in the RI Research Journal. We have gathered 60 research papers from all of the research paper presenters from this year's RI events. 10th International Research Colloquium. On September 20th, we gathered with immense pride and gratitude to celebrate another momentous milestone, Royal Institution Singapore's 20th founding anniversary. 2 decades ago, our journey began with a vision, a dream, and an unwavering commitment to recognize individuals who deserve recognition globally. We celebrated this global milestone by acknowledging the efforts and contributions of our RI members, employees, and partner RIAEIOs. This also marks the 80th birthday of RI's founding chairman, Dr. Fellow, Royal Chartered Architect, Royal Chartered Engineer, Dr. Ang Thean Su. Royal Institution's 20th founding anniversary. In the hopes of giving back to the community in our little way, the Royal Institution Singapore continued its initiative to conduct its blood donation drive at RI Center, Manila, in collaboration with the Philippine Red Cross. The second blood donation drive has been successful as it was participated by the RI members. Again, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to all our incredible blood donors for your continued support and selfless generosity. Your unwavering commitment to saving lives is nothing short of heroic. Each drop of blood you've shared represents hope, healing, and a lifeline to those in need. We are deeply grateful for your dedication to this noble cause. Second RI Blood Donation Drive. As we reflect on the journey we've embarked on together, it brings us immense joy to witness the continuous growth and expansion of the Royal Institution's accredited educational institution and organization. This year, we welcomed 21 new RIAEIO members through our successful Memorandum of Agreement and Understanding signing ceremonies. The Royal Institution, Singapore would like to extend its sincere gratitude for your enthusiastic participation in all of RI's events this year, as the year comes to an end. Your presence and engagement played a crucial role in making each occasion a resounding success, and we are truly grateful for your contributions. RI will continue to be connected by organizing events to achieve its vision to be a world-class global, multidisciplinary professional membership and accrediting institution, to level the playing field, and to be the premier platform for global networking. Lastly, RI wishes you, and your loved ones, a joyful holiday season, and a prosperous new year, filled with new opportunities and exciting adventures. We hope to see you all again at the upcoming RI events. Royal Institution invites you to the 40th International Conference and Conferment Ceremony, which will be held on March 7 to 9, 2024, at Century Park Hotel, Manila, Philippines. Please visit our Facebook page, Royal Institution, and website, www.ri2020.com for more details. We hope to see you there.